I'm so hungry! I need food! I'm so hungry! I'm so hungry! Mom! Dad! Hello? Somebody there? I feel like I'm losing power! Hello? Somebody there? Mom! Dad! I'm all alone! Help! Somebody help me!
Little twerp. Didn't go and get himself killed already, did he? If the little brat dies here, then that's all he'd ever amount to. A little brat. The great Picollo reduced to this. I'm gonna have to whip this spoiled ball of tears into shape. What a pain in the ass. I hope the weakling is prepared to die. Don't kid yourself, you could never beat me. What the hell are those things? The kid's probably got his hands full right now. Guess I'll have to take care of them myself. trash like this is a waste of my time. How many more of these things are there? There, done. Now then, time to check on that little rugrat. Hopefully throwing him to the wolves toughened him up. Eat this! Finally, some acceptable results. That was easy.
I'm hungry. I'm so hungry.
Little brat. We still don't have what it takes to fight the Saiyans. His latent power is our only shot. Fine. Just this once I'll throw him a bone. Looks like there's only apples to eat around here. Oh well. This little brat's giving me a real headache. One's probably not enough. All right, this is all he's getting. This kid's proving to be a real pain in my neck.
I hate this place! I'm hungry! I want to go home! Apples! I found apples! Yay! Huh? Wow! It's kind of bright. For nighttime, at least. Oh! It's the moon! Whoa! It's so big and round! This is the first time I've seen a full moon.
What the? What? You're kidding me! He transformed! So this is a Saiyan's true power. Special beam cannon! What's going on? Let's transform into this thing! Special beam cannon! Kid's out of his mind! No use trying to reason with him at this point. Special beam cannon! Power's unbelievable! My attacks aren't doing anything! Special! Enough, you little brat! Try this! What in the hell's going on? He's berserk! There won't be any Earth to protect if this keeps up!
We Saiyans release our true power whenever there's a full moon. Even chumps like you should know that.
That's right! The full moon! Who would have imagined a kid had such a transformation in him? Must be his Saiyan blood. Looks like he needs a full moon and that tail of his to transform. Better get rid of it now. Now that that's taken care of, here's some clothes and a sword. I've got my own training to get to, so you're on your own again. If you can somehow manage to survive the next 6 months, then you will have earned the honor of being trained by the great Piccolo. You're gonna wish you'd never been born when I'm done with you. Hope you're ready.
I'm so hungry. I'm gonna be hungry later if I only eat fruit. I could really go for some meat. Oh, something smells good. But how am I supposed to get myself some meat? I guess I could catch a fish. Got it! What I really want? Some of Mom's meat dumplings. Yeah. My tummy's grumbling. I'll do what I can. I did my best. All right! I actually caught a fish! I'd hate to run into dinosaurs. I better go back. Better head back. Yeah. Excuse me?
What the? Huh? Yeah. The more I look at you, the more you look like Goku when he was a kid. You're definitely related. Wait a second. Are you his kid or something?
Yeah. My name's Gohan.
Cool. I'm Yajirobe. You know, me and Goku are real tight. We go way back.
Oh,
Man, must be pretty rough, huh? Having Piccolo on your back like that. I know the feeling. Bulma won't get off mine. She kept going on and on about how you were kidnapped and needed help, or something. Anyway, she wouldn't leave me alone about the whole thing, so that's why I'm out here. But you know, I kind of got lost looking all over the place for you. I was starting to get worried. I was just about ready to peace out and head home, so, good thing you found me, huh?
Oh!
I bet you're having some trouble getting food, huh?
Yeah.
Well, this meat here is mine, so, can't just give it to you. Instead, I'll teach you how to hunt.
Oh, so that's what you meant by help.
Well, yeah. Look, little dude, if I just swoop in and take you back, Piccolo's gonna kill me. So anyway, yeah. I'll turn you into a master huntsman. This is how you do it. All right, then, let's give it a whirl. Just follow my lead and you'll be a pro in no time. Check it out. You can find some deer near trees with fruit on them.
Mr. Yajirobe said I should approach deer from behind if I want to catch them. Here goes.
Let's see if you can catch yourself a good one.
Aw, they run away if they see me. There's a lot of power in this. Ha! I need to sneak up on them from behind so they don't see me coming. right! I got them all! Wow, this energy's incredible!
Yeah, this ought to do it. There, you should be good on your own now.
Yeah, I guess. Wait, you're leaving?
Yeah, see, the thing is, I'm actually training under Kami right now. If I don't head back soon, that green geezer's gonna flip his lid. So yeah, you know, I think I'm gonna split it.
Oh, okay.
Boom! Take it easy, Squirt!
That guy's really something. I'm sure I could find something to eat, but I really wish I could go home.
What the? No way the Saiyans are here yet, but I'm sensing incredible power. Better go check it out. Goku can't possibly be back already. There's no sign of the Dragon Balls having been used yet. I don't know who or what it is, but if it's a threat, I'll get rid of it. Ooh, the energy from this thing is incredible. A little village, huh? That might cause problems for the kids' training. If I'm going to fight, this might be a good opportunity to see how effective my training's been.
Hello there. Yo!
Come on!
Feel free to browse. Come back real soon.
No Earthling should have this much power. Unless it's one of those freaks from the World Tournament. Hey!
Whoa, Piccolo!
Hey! You're looking stronger than usual.
Yeah, I trained at Kami's place. So, you want to see what I can do?
You don't look too confident. I can tell this won't go well for you.
Can you blame me? I mean, I was killed by a demon clan member once before. You guys freaked me out.
Pathetic. Guess I'll just have to beat that fear out of you. Come at me!
Why, you? Here goes!
See. So you and I have fought each other before.
Yeah, way back during the World Tournament.
Let's see if you've gotten any better.
What?
What? Is that all you can You want to stay a weakling your whole life?
Come on, quit teasing me!
Power go, you're not that bad.
I have been training since the last time we fought. You're actually pretty strong.
I think you pretty much figured it out. Not bad. You actually held your own.
Thanks, I guess.
Looks like you're doing something right in your training.
Okay, yeah, I think I got this.
If you don't want to die a second time, then you need to train more. Do that, and maybe I'll view you as more than just a waste of space.
Hey, I'll show you! I'm a student of the great Master Roshi, just like Goku. Which means I'm gonna get stronger, just you wait!
Whoa, this power is amazing. Looks like someone wants to die. I'm ready whenever you are. Let's do this! Don't kid yourself. You could never beat me. Piccolo? So the power I felt was coming from you, huh? Oh, yeah. Krillin said you're fighting on our side now. Which is perfect. That means you can really help me out. Let me try out some of my moves on you. You fighting me? You're dumber than you look. Well, you're looking at the new and improved Yamcha, thanks to Kami. Huh, is that so? Yeah, Kami says I gotta fight someone stronger than me now. But you know, I'm thinking I could even beat you now. I'm not about to get left in Goku's dust again. Buckle up, buddy, because you're in for a real challenge. Fine, but don't blame me if you die. It seems you know who I am. Of course I do. You're the guy who fought Goku in the World Tournament. I was there too. What? You're ready, Terra! I do remember you. You're the loser that couldn't beat Tommy disguised as a human. Oh, come on, don't be saying that. Now you realize how powerless you actually are. Give me a break. Is this all I got? Our difference in power should be obvious now. What's going on? I should be better than this. You're not too bright, are you? Did you just think I was sitting around doing nothing while you were training? Train all you want, but it's never gonna be enough to beat me. Oh man, maybe you're right. Huh. Don't feel too bad. You're still alive, aren't you? That's something. But you're gonna need a different approach to your training. Come on. Don't count me out just yet. I've got what it takes. Ooh, the energy from this thing is incredible. Damn! I used to be on par with him back in the day.
Oh man, Goku's light years ahead of me.
All right, time for our first sparring match in a long time.
Yeah.
I'll pass.
You know, liars have a special place in...
A guardian never lies.
Whoa, that's a big tree. Looks like one massive tree. Wow, this tree has been here a long time.
Hey! Hey!
Piccolo.
So the power I sensed was from you. Looks like you knew I was nearby. Not bad for a deadweight like you.
You've got quite the mouth on you. Don't think for a second that I've started trusting you. To me, you're still the enemy. I'll defeat you here and now if I must.
What? You think you actually stand a chance against me?
I do. I did train under Kami.
Is that so?
He instructed me to return to the surface and further polish my technique by sparring with an even stronger opponent. And I can think of no better opponent than you. Let me show you how strong I've become.
Sounds good to me. I could use the entertainment. I'll play along. Oh, hey, you fought Goku in the World Tournament, didn't you? What's wrong? Go on, try and fight me using my true power.
Not bad, Piccolo.
You have your moments, but is this all you've got?
Not finished yet. I still have some room for improvement.
I think you've had enough. You're better than I thought. At least you can dodge basic ki blasts. I guess that training of yours wasn't a waste of time.
You scum. How dare you? You may have the upper hand now, but not for long. I'm going to eventually defeat you.
I'd like to see you try. I better see how the little runt's doing. Hope he's toughened up since... energy from this thing is incredible. Looks like someone wants to die. There's a real chance he might have died.
Hey!
Hey!
Yeah!
Why you?
Hey.
Huh? Aw.
Indeed.
Yep.
Special beam cannon! Special beam cannon! Give me a break.
No.
Aw. Aw.
Hey! Huh. Hey!
What?
Huh. Fine. Hey!
Well done.
Time to waste. That'll do. Huh? Why, you? Looks like someone wants to die. Looks like someone wants to... I'm ready whenever you are. Let's do this! Don't kid yourself, you could never beat me.
Haha! Oh. Oh.
Looks like someone wants to die. I'm ready whenever you are. Let's do this! Special beam cannon! So that's all, huh? Looks like someone wants to die. I'm ready whenever you are. Let's do this! Damn it! Special beam! So that's all. Looks like someone wants to die. I'll make quick work of you. So that's all, huh?
I bet I could give you a run.
Oh, is that so?
Hey now, I said if I...
Right, time to...
I better hurry.
I bet you'd be pretty strong.
I don't think...
Looks like someone wants to die. Looks like someone wants to die. Hey!
Oh no, oh no, oh no!
Why, you?
Huh.
Oh no, oh no, oh no!
Fine.
Well, duh.
I only care about improving myself. Looks like someone wants to die. There he is. Huh. Seems like you managed to survive after all.
Meanwhile, in order to begin his training with King Kai, Goku continued his arduous journey across Snake Way. After what seemed like forever, he finally reached his destination.
Man, this is tough. Oh, man. At this rate, it's gonna take me way longer than a year to get to King Kai's place. Wait a sec. Hey, that's the tail! Yes, I did it! I made it to the end! Wait. There's nothing here. Huh? Oh, what's that round thing up there? That must be where King Kai is! Hell yeah! Yep, no mistake about it. There's even a house! So if this is King Kai's place, where is he? Ah! Who are you?
Hey, know what you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef. Huh? No, maybe you were too starstruck and didn't hear me. Man, you're hopeless. All right, let's see if this one tickles your funny bone. Hello? I've got a joke to tell. Huh? No one's there. Guess I better tell the phone. Nailed it.
Wait, huh? What's going on?
What's wrong with you? Why are you even here?
Well, I was hoping you could train me.
Train you? Get out of here. I can't train someone who doesn't have a sense of humor.
Oh, come on, King Kai, I'm begging you.
Well, I guess I could, if you pass my little test. If you can make a master comedian like me laugh, then I'll train you.
Wait, you want me to tell you a joke? cow with no legs, is called ground beef.
No, no, no! Those are the ones I just told! Again!
Have a nice trip. See you next fall. Hey! You laughed! I saw it!
You're pretty good, I'll give you that. I will teach you the ultimate joke.
Nah, I'm done with jokes. I came here to train.
You came here to train? Well, why didn't you say so? I'm going to need to test you, though. I need to see what I'm dealing with here.
Great, you got it.
Who is this guy? Very well. I will train you. This guy just might actually have what it takes. He might be able to handle the Kaioken, and maybe even my greatest technique.
Mean, green, teaching machine.
Wonder what I'm gonna do today. Maybe I can hunt some dinosaurs in this area. They can be pretty dangerous, so I need to be careful. Hey, there's one! Ah! Where are all the dinosaurs? Yay! Huh?
Huh. Looks like the pathetic, whiny kid who couldn't get his own apples is long gone.
You're the guy that left me here!
The name's Piccolo. Don't forget it.
Piccolo? Wait a minute. He's not the same Piccolo my dad fought a long time ago, is he?
I'm gonna bet your dad told you about me. Which means you know just how terrifying I am, right?
Oh! Yeah. I remember him saying something about Demon King Piccolo being a really bad guy.
All right. Let's get down to brass tacks, shall we? First, you need to learn how to fly.
I did it!
There you go. You can finally start controlling some of your energy. You won't be so happy for long. I'm going to teach you true combat. Now get ready to spar. Come talk to me once you're ready. Don't even think about trying to run away. You got that?
I think I'm getting the hang of this flying thing, but I'm still kind of scared of sparring with Mr. Piccolo. Ha! I wish Mr. Piccolo wasn't so mean. I'm as good as dead if this keeps up. I think I can handle this. I think I can handle this. I'm gonna take you down. I actually won! I think I can handle this. Here I go! I actually won!
Not good.
Thanks. Yes. My heavens! Oh, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho.
What?
Yes. Indeed.
Thank you so much!
What?
What?
Oh, ho, ho. Goodbye. Interesting. Yes.
Let's see. I guess I could use some more training.
Huh?
I'm scared. I'm gonna do it. I've got to.
Didn't run home crying, huh? Well,
Okay.
don't look! Feel! Think about what you need to do! Then do it!
I am. It's just, yeah.
You have to get stronger. We've only got 6 months left.
I'm leaking all over. I can barely move.
This'll end. That's enough. We'll call it a day for now.
Finally, it's over. Ow, 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 ow!
Huh. I guess you're no longer the little crybaby you were 6 months ago.
Hey, I was wondering, you fought my dad a long time ago, right?
I did, and I've still got a score to settle with him. Once the Saiyans are gone, your dad's next.
But you know, my dad told me something. He said, you're not like the old Piccolo. He said, you don't seem like such a bad guy. I think my dad's right. Even though my mom and grandpa are still scared of you.
Just shut your mouth and try to get some sleep. I'm gonna put you through hell tomorrow.
Okay.
Stupid kid.
All right, ready when you are, King Kai.
Now, let's see you form a spirit bomb and use it to destroy this extra fast brick.
Got it.
Ha!
Yeah!
Wow! I can't believe it! Well done, Goku.
Thanks, it wasn't easy.
It's like I keep saying. The spirit bomb is formed by gathering energy from everything around you and concentrating it into a ball. It's incredibly powerful. Screw it up, and you'll blow the very planet you're trying to protect to pieces. And that's why you should only use it as a last resort, and only once for that matter. Just as I thought, he very well might be able to go through the entire training regimen.
This isn't break time. Remember this. You eat, sleep, fight. That's your life now. Don't you dare forget it.
But what if I just...
That's enough! Unless you want to die, you have to get stronger. Stronger than me, and stronger than the Saiyans.
I know, it's just...
Less complaining, more fighting!
Ah!
We'll eat for now, but then it's back to business.
If all I do is train when I'm not eating or sleeping, I'll die before I get very strong. There's no way I'm gonna be as strong as my dad or Mr. Piccolo. Wait, now's my chance. I can sneak home. All right. I think I'll go looking for something to eat. Mr. Piccolo's way stronger than me. If I keep up his training, there's not gonna be much left of me. I'm just gonna get in the way. I wonder how Mom's doing. I could really go for some of Mom's dumplings. If I don't hurry, Mr. Piccolo's gonna find out what I did. Someone's house? I wonder if anyone's here. I think I can handle this. Yes! Hooray! There's an oasis! An oasis! Wow, this energy's incredible! Wow! This town is huge!
Hey there! What do you think?
Welcome. Thank you.
Feel free to browse. Come back real soon.
I can handle this. I think I can handle this.
Greetings.
Do you?
I know! You're Goku's kid, right?
Yeah. I'm Gohan. Are you a friend of my dad?
You bet! We've been on all sorts of adventures together!
Whoa.
I'm Poir. You may have heard about me from Goku.
No, not a word.
Well, that's Goku for you. But you must have heard about Yamcha, right?
Nope. Nothing it.
Of course you have! Wonderful!
So, what brings you here?
That's right! I'm preparing a meal for Yamcha, and this place has the best ingredients around. So I'd better get back to work. I have a few more items to pick up.
Sure. All this talk of food is making me hungry. I should get Mom to fix me something. A pork bun with
No!
Stop right there! Don't think so! Believe someone that bad, actually. I might run into them again. And when I do, I'll be ready for them.
I can't thank you enough! And you know, you really are crazy strong, Gohan!
Huh? You think so?
What? You don't think so? You remind me of Goku when he won the World Tournament!
I'm like Dad? Am I really that?
Sure you are! And brave to boot! Like father, like son! I couldn't even handle those enemies! I'm totally useless!
But you didn't run away, right?
Yamcha is hard at work training! The least I can do is fix him a hot meal! Plus, Yamcha is always telling me he can give 100% because I'm around! That's why I can't give any less myself!
Everyone's working so hard.
Look at the time! I'd better get back and start preparing! Thanks for the help, Gohan! See you around!
Piccolo's one tough teacher, but I am getting stronger. Maybe I can keep at this a little longer. I'm gonna be strong, like Dad and Mr. Piccolo, so I can protect you and everyone else! If it weren't for Mr. Piccolo, I wouldn't be as strong as I am now. And if I keep up my training, maybe I'll get even stronger. All right, better keep at it. Ha! Huh? I'm pretty good, huh? Hooray! I found a good one! Be too mad at me. Maybe if I just apologize, Mr. Piccolo will forgive me.
Hey.
Hope that stops them. Those bones have some scary fangs and horns. Got it! Yeah. Those are dinosaur bones! Ha! Ha! I think I can handle this. Piccolo?
Give me all you got.
What?
I want you to try and kill me. Come on! I thought you wanted to be strong like me and your old man.
I do!
Is this it? Do you think this is enough to take on the Saiyans?
Here I come, Mr. Piccolo!
Get serious. Do you want to die?
No!
Your old man is a lot more in it than this.
I've still got more in me!
That's it! Don't forget that feeling! Damn it! Looks like you're finally starting to show some promise, kid. I mean, Gohan.
Thank you, Mr. Piccolo! Wow! My mom would freak out if she saw me like this.
And I guess you'll be needing a fresh set of clothes.
Wait, this is...
What, you got a problem with it?
No, not at all! Thank you, Mr. Piccolo!
Well, not much longer now. The Saiyans should be arriving on Earth sometime tomorrow. Oh no! How can I be so stupid?
What? What's wrong?
I totally forgot how long it's going to take you to travel back across Snake Way. Quick, put your hand on my back and tell your friends to revive you with the Dragon Balls.
Yeah, sure thing.
Come forth, Shinron!
Your halo's gone! That means you've been revived! Now go! Hurry!
Right. Thanks for everything, King Kai. See ya!
And so, the fated day had finally arrived. Battle with a dangerous duo.
So this is Earth. Not a bad-looking planet.
Guess we should go pay our respects. To the little twerps, huh?
First things first, we'll seek out the highest power level. When we do, we'll likely find Raditz' killer. Or perhaps Kakarot's son. Found you. All right, Nappa. Time to have some fun.
What? A huge power is heading this way. I have to tell Mr. Piccolo. Saiyans! They're finally here! I bet Mr. Piccolo's noticed too.